Every column drawn on a doorstep is more than just art. It's a perfect hand-drawn algorithm. But what happens when these algorithms and the artists who create them start to fade away? We are Team Sashakt, and for the Smart India Hackathon, we are answering that question. KolamKaari is an AI powered platform that reimagines the beauty of traditional kolam art for the digital world. With just a single image upload, our AI generates stunning column designs that can be replayed step by step, helping anyone learn and experience the process of creation. Signing up is simple whether you are a creator or a buyer. You just log in with email or auth and step into your personal dashboard. From here, you can upload an image, generate a column, explore the marketplace, or track your wallet and notifications all in one place. The marketplace is where creativity meets commerce. Browse columns by style, algorithm, or price and purchase instantly. Every column comes with a details page where you can preview, replay stock, and understand the underlying algorithm. For creators, the My Designs page acts like a portfolio. You can manage, edit, and publish your columns directly to the marketplace. Buyers get their own personal library where every purchase is safely stored with options to replay, download, or check license details. And beyond transactions, KolamKaari is a community. Share free columns, read designs, remix art, and grow together. Our wallet system makes payments seamless with UPI, cards, and Stripe support. Creators can withdraw their earnings while buyers top up credits, and with just a 5% platform fee, we keep the barrier low for everyone. KolamKaari isn't just an app, it's the future of preserving and modernizing a centuries old art form.